this video, I am going to explain how to reverse a number using Java. Let's start. Here, we first take the integer number n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to return the output as 4321. Let's start. First, we have to create a result variable. Initially, we assign value as 0. To solve this, I use a while loop that runs until the number becomes 0. First, we create a last digit variable. We extract the last digit of the number using the modulus operator. Then I build the reverse number by multiplying the reverse number by 10 and adding the last digit into the result. Now we have to remove the last digit from the original number. For that, we divide the number by 10. In each iteration, it performs these 3 steps until the number becomes 0. Now we print our result. Finally, I print the reverse number as an output. You can see here reverse number is equal to 4321.